Does Chase allow day trading? Does Chase allow day trading? So the short answer is yes, Chase does allow day trading through JP Morgan self-directed investing. So yes, Chase through JP Morgan self-directed investing does allow day trading, but it enforces the same FINRA rules as other US brokers. The new FINRA rules replace the old patent day trader rules as of June 2026. So yes, JP Morgan self-directed investing basically offers commission-free trading for US stocks and ETFs, options trading available at 65 cents per contract, integrated with Chase banking for seamless transfers. So you can place multiple trades in a day with Chase via JP Morgan self-directed investing. Just remember that Chase still the PDT old rules still apply unless Chase has fully transitioned to the new FINRA intraday margin standards, which are being phased in by US brokers until October 2027. So just be mindful of the patent day trader rules as it applies to you, as well as Chase as JP Morgan as they go through the phasing in of the new FINRA intraday margin standards.